Okay, so today we're gonna do the first video of this kind, a ceiling fans in my cabin running on all speeds. So, I'm gonna assume that's on low. Or did I ever tapped anything? Yep. So yeah, we'll start out here in the living room with the 44-inch Home Decorators collection Ashby Park. This is 2 of 2, or 1 of 2, but it's the second one installed, so it's a little confusing in that order. There's the light. Show the light on everything. So there's the light on that one. Here we have the Litex Vortex higher ceiling fan, 30 inches. Here we have the second Ashby Park, the first one. This was the first one that was installed. In the garage here, we have, shut these off. We have the 2 garage fans now installed, like literally right next to each other. We have the 30-inch Canarm twister and the 42-inch Alaska hugger. This one is from May of 2001. This one is from, I believe it's July of 1986. Not original light kit, obviously. So go ahead and put everything on low. This one has the Canarm twister globe on it because this one, the globe broke off on it. Would have had a mushroom globe, but since the twister was taken down from in there, I took this down. I might keep some of the lights on for the video. Actually, I might just, but we'll see. So I'll do the light for this one. Might just keep the lights on. This one I can turn the light off. So just show them all. Here they are on low. Just do the light off just to show you. Yeah, I can turn the lights off. I'll have to do spin down separately. I'll do spin down out here and then I'll do spin down in there. That was the wrong chain. That should still be on low. This is one. These ones are just they look a little better with the lights on. So I'll keep the lights on. Actually, if we're doing all of them off, we'll do all of them off. Let's do one low. I'll record this, but I might still do a separate garage fans with these two right next to each other. But I'm doing this one right now. Do medium. That guy wobbling away as usual. That's the wrong thing. There we go. Good shield. High medium. I fixed the wobble a little bit when I put this one up. Like I took the motor housing off and like tightened those screws. It still wobbles. And I did the bleached out plates because it matches the wood on the bunk bed here. At least I think it does. Go ahead and move everything to high. This one's gonna go turbo mode. I know people hate on modern fans, but these things kind of haul. I think the 52-inch one does too. Not as much as like a Casablanca or something or Hunter Original, but they still move good air. Turn the light off on this one. It bounces out. Yeah, it only wobbles on medium, really. It bounces out on high. That high. You can hear it whipping around air, so it's like a cyclone tornado. Whirlpool something, I don't know. Go out to the garage. And we'll do do the spin down in the house first, and then I'll come out to the garage and do the spin down of the two in there. Okay, I'll go ahead and do spin down. I think I can do these two at the same time, and I'll run out and do this one. So, bear in mind here. I don't think that's gonna stay. I'll be quick as I can. We'll see who stops first. Probably this, because it's small and it's got, but we'll see. Yeah, that's getting close to stopping. Yep. Okay, Litex Vortex is first out of all of them. Or the ones in the house, at least. This one might have a slight advantage because I turned it off first. Looks like we're coming to a stop here, or close to at least. And stopped. Okay, first Ashby Park, and counting of this one, first Ashby Park. Then it's gonna be this. Then the Canarm, and then the Alaska. That's what it is usually. I mean, we could go out there, because we know this thing's gonna stop next. Actually, this one was on low. The chain. Actually, should just be the light. Yep. Okay, we'll do the spin down in the garage, and that will conclude this video. It's like whipping around. Okay. See if I can hit these buttons both at the same time. Actually, I have a better way. Let's turn the breaker off. It's gonna be this then that. So order is Litex Vortex, first Ashby Park, second Ashby Park, then this, because that guy's got a long spin down. At least I think. Yep. Twister, and then the Alaska. So just trying to clean up from that video, which I'm not sure if I'm going to post or not. Maybe. We'll see. And it looks like we're coming to a stop here. Off, low, medium. Okay, so that is all the fans in the house, or in my cabin, running on all three speeds. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Okay, that almost just dropped my phone. That would not have been great. All right, bye.